This is tutorial number 83, and it is an overview of the measure tools within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is located on the DVD. Now the measure tools is all located in this toolbar right here. So in the next few tutorials, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over each of these tools and we're going to apply it onto the fishing reel. So these tools are the measure between, measure item, and measure inertia. So by using these measure tools, you're able to define anything that's in your part. So you're able to find distances, points within all your coordinate systems, the weight, the inertia, just everything that's going on with your part. So you're able to find out all these details through these three tools. So these three tools will be all the measuring tools that you need within Catia. And that concludes our tutorial on the overview of the measure tools within Catia.